Sora 2, Sora 2, Sora 2. Everyone is talking about the future of Sora 2, but no one is telling you how to actually earn from it or how to use it to make money. So today, I'll teach you how to create CGI ads using Sora 2 so that you can use them to reach big companies and start earning. Just copy the prompt given in the description, then go to ChatGPT and paste it there. ChatGPT will ask you what the product for the ad is and what the video's feel or mood should be. For example, I'll type iPhone 17 and set the mood to luxurious. Then, ChatGPT will generate a perfect direction prompt for each scene. If the result is too long, just say in prompt format, and it will give you everything in a single prompt. Copy that prompt and paste it into Sora 2, then upload your product image and select the aspect ratio before hitting enter. And if you don't have access to Sora 2 and want to use it for free, I've made a detailed login tutorial video. Check that out. As you can see, in just a few minutes, the video is ready. Now, let me show you a few more CGI ad examples. I'll go back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt again, and this time tell it the product name and mood. For example, I'll ask for a Coca-Cola ad. ChatGPT will give me a perfect ad prompt. I'll copy that, paste it into Sora 2 along with the product image, and here's the amazing result I got.
Coca-Cola, real magic.
Honestly, I didn't expect such a perfect output. It was unbelievable. So let's make one last ad to test it again. This time, I'll create an ad for a salon shop. I'll get the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Sora 2 along with the salon's logo, and Sora 2 will generate a perfect video for me.
Hair meets craft, and every detail feels considered. Hair that shines with confidence. Smart style. Your style, smarter care.
You should definitely try this once and let me know in the comments how you liked the video. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to follow the channel.